Welcome to my first video on YouTube. If you're new here, guess what? So am I. My name is Cassie from At Home with Cass. The purpose of this video is to maybe motivate you and give you some ideas on how maybe you can redecorate or redo your office. While you watch me make my latte in the morning, I'm gonna say two things. First of all, thank you so much for watching this video. You guys don't understand how blessed and how grateful we are, and your support means a lot to us. So if you can, please hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss my future videos. Second, I wanted to give you guys some background info on our current situation. We moved into this house about a month and a half ago, and we are absolutely loving the house. We love the layout, we love the size of it, we love the neighborhood. So there's no doubt that we're gonna stay here, God willing, for a very long time. That being said, that's exactly what you're gonna see in this video. You're gonna see me setting up my office for the first time in our new house. For those of you wondering, this is my Breville espresso machine. I absolutely adore this machine. It has been a game changer for me, and I've saved hundreds of dollars already just by making my lattes at home. So I hope that you enjoy me making my latte. Before we begin, I just want to show you guys what the room looked like before we actually set it up. We chose a really pretty light gray from Sherwin-Williams called Reflection, and as you guys can see, after we painted, the room looks so much nicer. It looks more open, and it definitely looks brighter in here, so I'm really loving this color that we chose. What a mess. The first thing I did though was empty out boxes. I love this cart from IKEA. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the link down in the description below. I use this cart for my art supplies, so my paintbrushes, my acrylics, my pencils, things like that. So just by emptying out some of those boxes and putting things in the closet, I was able to do a lot on the first day. On day 2, I was able to put a lot of the objects where they belonged, and I also got to wipe down a lot of the furniture, the printer, and things like that. These bins contain some of my party supplies, so I'm just going to organize all of this stuff in the closet. The closet is huge, so I'm really happy and grateful to have a closet like this. So I'm just going to move some things around to make space for the bins and the wrapping paper. All of these containers belong to my pegboard that I got from IKEA. I'm going to link everything down below, and you're going to see how I organize this system and how I put the actual pegboards on the wall. But before I do that, I have to clean everything, wipe everything down, take off the tape as you're seeing here, and just make sure that everything is clean before I actually put it up on the board. Before I put up my pegboard though, I'm gonna probably put these up. These are 2 mirrors that I got from Michael's a couple years ago, and I really think they'll look nice in here. I don't know about you guys, but I always have to measure and center anything that I hang up on the wall. So I'm going to go ahead and use this hook, nail it in the wall, and then hang up the mirror. I really like how it turned out. It looks really nice there in the corner, and it matches with the cream couch that I have there. Okay, now for day 3. Today I'm gonna put up the pegboards that I was telling you guys about, and this is what they look like. I decided to put them right there next to the window. I feel like that space was big enough to house both of them. I love the way they came out. Okay, so now I'm going to organize all of my supplies. So my Sharpies, markers, pencils, whiteout, things like that. I'm going to put them in their little cubbies before I put them up on the pegboard. As you can see, they hook on really easy. I love this system. What I love about it is that it has all the different types of containers and all of the clips. They also have clips for scissors, and they also have hooks, so you can get anything that you want. Okay, so many days later, I got this in the mail. This is a little surprise that I was saving for the end. But before I show you, I'm just going to quickly clean up a little bit because during those couple days, as you can see, some junk ended up going on top of my desk. So I'm going to quickly clean off my desk and then show you what the surprise is. So here's the surprise, guys. Yeah, we got a brand new computer to go with our brand new office. So we're just really excited about this purchase. Now, while I set this up, I'm going to give you guys a little backstory. We have another iMac, but it's really, really old. I'll show you guys a picture of it in a few. But that old iMac is from '07. Yeah, my husband actually bought that computer before we met. He went to Iraq. He was in the army, so he came back from his tour in Iraq and he splurged and he bought himself an iMac. As you guys can see, it's really, really old and it's like a dinosaur. That's what he calls it. But I'm really happy that he got me this. This was actually a present for me that he got. I had mentioned before that I wanted to have, or that I wanted a MacBook, but I obviously didn't think it was possible, and I just said it just to say it. But he was actually listening to me a couple months ago, and he went ahead and surprised me and got me this computer recently after we purchased the house. So I'm really excited. I'm not bragging or anything. We're just really blessed that we could actually afford this right now. Again, our old iMac was really, really old, so we were due for a new one anyway. So I'm really enjoying it so far. I like the look of it. It's really nice and sleek and modern. So I'm really liking the new computer. I'm really loving how the office turned out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so. And don't forget to like and also hit the notification bell so you guys can be alerted next time I post a video. Also, I'm going to try to link all of my furniture down below. Most of it is from IKEA, but just in case, you never know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.